Join me and we'll make a few recipes from this Better Homes and Gardens 1967 Jiffy Cooking Cookbook. We'll do the meat and potato pie, banana cream pudding, and buttered broccoli spears. Okay, so we're gonna make this meat and potato pie. We need 2 sticks of pie crust mix. I just bought pre-made pie crust. I'm trying to make this easy. We're gonna cook 1 pound of ground beef. We need half a cup of milk, half of an envelope of dry onion soup mix, a dash of pepper, a dash of allspice, and then 1 12-ounce package of hash browns. All right, let's get this hamburger browned up. Get that going there on the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the pie dish so that it does not stick. Now, I bought these pie crusts over at King Soopers. They're fantastic, although let them get to room temperature because I went a little too quickly, and it's all right. I was able to mold it back to shape properly. Those things are fantastic. Let's get it all fitted to the pie pan. Fold it over a little bit. I'll go ahead and add the recipes for the meat and potato pie and the banana cream pudding in the description for you. And then I did not drain this hamburger because it was 93%. Just added it straight to the bowl. And then to that, you're also going to add half of an envelope of dry onion soup mix. That gives it a really good flavor. And then you're going to do a dash of black pepper and a dash of allspice. Then you're going to add half of a cup of milk and get that all mixed up really well. You're going to add that into the pie pan. And then over that, you're going to put 12 ounces of de-thawed frozen hash browns. Just do a nice little layer of potatoes right on top there, on top of your meat seasoning. Spread it out really well. I added a little bit more than 12 ounces because I love potatoes. And then I went ahead and added a little bit of salt and pepper to that just to give it some flavor. And then you get your second pie crust and just roll it right across the top there loosely. And then you are going to seal up the edges. I know there's kind of an art to this, which I am not the best at it, but what I did there worked. The pinch and push, if you want to call it. I'm not sure what people call that method, but it worked well. And then you're going to cut any sort of design you'd like in the top of the pie. I just did weird little arrows, which worked. Then you're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about an hour. And then I got the broccoli steaming there. So this cookbook did not have a recipe for the broccoli, so I just steamed it and then I added butter to it. And this is ready, nice and golden brown. House smelled amazing. So good. It's kind of pretty too. Let's cut into it. Super easy to cut into, didn't stick at all. It did not stay intact though when I moved it out, obviously. But that's okay. It all mixes up in your tummy anyways, right? It's very yummy. There it is. It almost reminded me of like a Runza sandwich. Super good. I halved the banana cream pudding recipe. I used 1 box of instant vanilla pudding mix, 2 cups of cold milk, half cup of sour cream, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, dash ground nutmeg, and 1 banana. And then I just threw in some coconut flakes as well. Add it all to the mixer and you're going to blend it all really, really well. Make sure the milk is cold. I'm not sure if I said that, but make sure it's cold. Get that mixing and mix it up really, really well. Then you're gonna fold in the banana slices. Make sure it's mixed really well. And then you're going to pour in 2 sherbet glasses, which I just had these, so these will work just fine. And then you're gonna serve after they've been chilled in the refrigerator for a couple hours. So cute. Okay, let's try it. Pretty good. I'd make it again. Subscribe for more nostalgic old school recipes.